Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County in south-central Indiana until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Madison, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Canyon, Manville, China, and Barboursville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.